Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I am Jahnavi Devi, Derek High School from Goalpara, and today I am going to discuss a lesson of class 10 Social Science History part. I will discuss the chapter number 1. This is Partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. I hope you all will be attentive in my class and you will be able to understand. So let's proceed towards our class.
So this is your book. I hope you all have the book. And this is the chapter, Partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. I have already written the name of the chapter on the board also. So there are so many key points in the chapter. We will have to discuss every key points one by one, and now we'll be discussing only 3 key points. So these are background of partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. So you will able to know about the 3 key points during the whole discussion. Okay. So at first, the background of partition of Bengal. So you will have to know at first what is partition of Bengal. So it is an important event of Indian freedom struggle, and it means the division of first Bengal province, and it was occurred during the reign of Lord Curzon. So at first, background. What is background of this division or partition? After the Sepoy Mutiny in 1857, the British government decided to reform the Indian administration, and they also decided to disjoin a first area of East India from Bengal. Okay, so we already have found that Lord Curzon was the main person in the whole process of partition of Bengal, and in the whole process of partition of Bengal, he was helped by 2 British officers, namely Andrew Fraser. He was the Chief Commissioner of Madhya Pradesh, and the another officer was J. Bamfield Fuller. He was the Chief Commissioner of Assam. And what did they do? Fraser proposed to disjoin Orissa and Sambalpur from Bengal and to annex Madhya Pradesh. And Fuller also proposed to annex Chattogram to Assam. And Lord Curzon had gone through the proposals and he had a desire to implement it. Okay. So the next point is partition of Bengal. So Andrew Fraser submitted his plan to Lord Curzon on 28 March. Fraser also suggested to annex Dhaka, Chattogram and Rajshahi to neighboring state of Assam. On 1st June 1903, Lord Curzon prepared a detailed proposal of the partition of Bengal by discussing with Herbert Risley, the Secretary of State, Government of India. After a broad and detailed discussion, Lord Curzon sent the proposal to Secretary of State for India in London for necessary approval. Finally, on 1st September 1905, it was declared officially that the partition of Bengal would be implemented on 16th October. Lord Curzon also declared the 4 points program on 1st September. These are first points were these. You can read from here. Okay, the name of the new province will be Eastern Bengal and Assam by an annexation of Rajshahi, Dhaka and Chattogram to Assam. The capital of new province will be Dhaka. The administration of Eastern Bengal and Assam will be handed over to a lieutenant governor. The capital of Assam will be transferred from Shillong to Dhaka. And the second points are, there will be separate high court in Dhaka for Eastern Bengal and Assam. Until a separate high court is established, the new province will be under the jurisdiction of Calcutta High Court. Third point is, Calcutta will be the capital of New Bengal province, which includes West Bengal, Bihar, Orissa and Chotanagpur. The fourth point is, the partition of Bengal will be implemented on 16th October 1905. Okay, so this was all about partition of Bengal. It was occurred during the reign of Lord Curzon, and Lord Curzon was helped by two officers, Fraser and Fuller. And these are the 4 points. Okay, now we will go through the next point, Swadeshi movement. Okay, Swadeshi movement means, Swa means self, Deshi means countries, our countries. So, why it was occurred? So, when the people of Bengal came to know about the partition, the anti-government feeling rose among them. They did not support the partition because Hindu-Muslim unity was put under threat and Bengali nationalism was wounded. Therefore, there was a huge public protest against the partition, and the movement was known as Swadeshi movement. Why? Why it was known as Swadeshi movement? Because it was decided that the Indian would unitedly boycott foreign goods and would use only homemade goods. Okay, so there were some write-ups which created a great sensation among the people. For example, Bongar Sarbanas. It was a article published in the journal Sanjeevani. And the prominent leaders of the movement were Surendranath Banerjee, Motilal Ghosh, etc.
So dear students, in this class we have found that the partition of Bengal was done by Lord Curzon in 1905. So it was a policy of the British government to divide the Hindu and Muslims of India. And this partition was not accepted by the Indians, and it created a anti-government feeling among the Indians. As a result, Swadeshi movement was raised. As a result, Swadeshi movement was raised, and the movement aimed at what? Boycotting foreign goods and to use the Indian goods. So, it is the summary of the discussion, and in the next classes, we'll be discussing the another key points. I hope you all have understood what I have taught. So, it is the time to leave you. Thank you.